students. Let us continue our class, our lesson, our food. So in last class, in previous classes, we had already learned about the preparation of upma, preparation of tomato curry, and we learned about the preparation methods, preservation methods, and the ingredients what we are using in preparation of food, from which part of the plant they are getting. These are all we have learned. Now let us discuss about how to write the preparation of biryani, preparation of tomato curry, preparation of upma. How you have to write? Whether the question came in the examination. So then how can you write? Now I will say you to write. So first of all, for this you have to know the ingredients what you are going to write about the food item. So for this you have to ask your mother for the writing. So now you want to write about biryani, suppose. So the biryani, which biryani? Somewhere like the vegetable biryani, somewhere like the chicken biryani, somewhere like the mutton biryani. Whatever you like, you take that one. Now you write the heading, the biryani. Now the ingredients. Ingredients means what? The materials which are used to prepare the food item are called as ingredients. Now write the heading ingredients. So ingredients here now, suppose you are going to write about the vegetable. For that what you need for? That you need for vegetables and rice like that, no? So for that first of all you have to know the quantity. So 4 members family need 4 cups of rice. And now take the ingredient heading you have write now 4 cups of rice. Next 6 cups of water. Next what you need? Potatoes. 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, 2 brinjals, 1 tomato. Next again some other small cauliflower piece. Okay, so like that you have to take and make the pieces of the vegetables. Make the pieces of the vegetables. Next chilies, 4 chilies. Next 1 onion. These are all make the pieces. Now you have to write the ingredients. 4 cups of rice, 6 cups of water, and next 1 cup of potatoes, 1 cup of potato pieces, 1 cup of carrot pieces, 1 cup of what again you added? Brinjal pieces, 1 cup of cauliflower pieces. Next chili pieces, onion pieces, biryani leaves, 4 biryani leaves, one small pattar ki full piece, and 1 curry leaf big one, and next the requirement of salt, and requirement of chili powder, requirement of oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. Next 1 cup of curd. Next again the coriander powder and ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. Like these ingredients you have to take. Then next you have to take one more heading, preparation method. For this you have to write first switch on the stove and then light the stove. Next keep a bowl on it. Next now add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Now after heating the oil, then you add onion pieces and chili pieces. After little bit frying the onion pieces and chili pieces, you add the curry leaves, biryani leaves, and next 1 pattar ki full. Next after frying totally, now you add the ginger garlic paste, and then coriander powder, 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, and then turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Next again you add the all vegetable pieces to it and stir it well. Next add a requirement of salt to it Add requirement of chili powder to it and keep a lid on it. After 5 minutes open that one and once more you stir it. You stir it means mix it well and again once more keep a lid on it. Now add after 5 minutes now add 1 cup of curd and after a little bit boiling it then take the bowl with the lid and keep aside. Now boil the rice. After boiling the rice, after cooking the rice, then you have to take it aside. Now take one more big bowl. Then now you have to heat the bowl. Now you have to add a little bit water in it. Next again you have to add some curry. The curry what you prepare that one for the biryani. Now 1 layer curry, 1 layer rice, 1 layer curry, 1 layer rice. Like that you have to add it and after finishing now little bit curd you have to apply and little bit ghee and a little bit coriander leaves. Cut coriander leaves and onion pieces on it and keep lid on it. For few minutes you have to keep in low flame. You have to keep on low flame this bowl for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After that your tasty biryani, vegetable biryani is ready to eat. Like this you have to write. I think you have understood clearly how to write the food materials if the question gave. So how many marks the question will be? 8 marks. Okay. Now let us come to the one more topic in our lesson, last topic of our lesson here, vegetable carving and fruit carving. What is vegetable carving? Vegetable carving means nothing but here preparation of food using vegetables and making designs with vegetable is known as vegetable carving. Next, fruit carving. It is nothing but preparation of food with fruits and making designs with fruits is known as fruit carving. Preparation of food with vegetable and making designs is known as vegetable carving. Making designs with fruits is known as fruit carving. This is also an important question. Next, ingredients means do you know what the materials which are required for the preparation of food is known as ingredient. Next, now condiments. What are the condiments? The fragrance materials, the good smelling materials, just like jeera, sajira, and next ilachi, lavang, clove. Lavang means clove, and the ilachi, cinnamon, cardamom, darchini. These are all called the condiments. So they give the fragrance, good smell to the food. They are called as condiments. Okay, next here in this 6th class, now you came to write the board examinations. Here you will have the government question papers. So for that, here you have to learn the every do you know topic in your lesson. In your lesson, there may be do you know for one page, every page or every 2 pages have the do you know topic. So that do you know is important for you to learn. So in do you know the box, do you know having some information. Every do you know box you have to study. Okay children, so this is our last topic in our food lesson. Okay, so next you have to learn the lesson properly. Once or twice you have to read the lesson, and next year in this lesson what are the important topics? Preparation of food materials, preservation of food materials. 2 questions are important. Do you know? Every do you know is important. Vegetable carving is important and fruit carving is important. Condiments also important. Next year in this lesson, preparation of biryani, preparation of tomato curry, preparation of upma, preparation of payasam. Like this food materials preparation, you have to properly learn and write in the notebook. What you have to write as your homework here? somewhere like puri, like that. Any food item, snack item you like that you have to write. Okay, so prepare for that. Be ready to write and learn how to write in English. How to write in English language, the preparation of food. This is important question in this lesson.